Omegaman here, and you too can be a hero.
Helping everyone respect others. Let's have some fun.
I want you to know we could be bully free, but it starts with you and me. I want everyone to repeat this after me. Say, I am bully free. It starts with you and me. Because that's where it starts. It starts with you being respectful on the school bus, in the classroom, hallway, playground, lunchroom, and even on social media. What is bullying? Bullying in the dictionary means the act of intimidating a weaker person to do something, and it's usually repeated over time. So let's go over quickly again some types of bullying. They are physical bullying, verbal bullying, social bullying, and cyberbullying. Now you need to know how to respond if you're being bullied. Everyone say respond.
Respond.
How do you respond if you're being bullied? Ways to respond if you're being bullied. Walk away. If possible, remove yourself from the situation immediately. Say stop. If it feels safe, tell the bully to stop in a firm but calm way. Keep your cool. Try to control your emotions in the moment. Showing fear or anger may egg on the bully. Don't fight. Try not to fight or bully back. If you are being cyberbullied, do not communicate with the bully, but take screenshots of their texts, emails, and other communications to show a teacher or a parent. What do you do after being bullied? Tell a friend. Don't keep the bullying a secret. Tell a friend and ask for support. You will feel better, and your friend will help you decide what to do next and go with you to get assistance. Report to an adult. Tell a trusted adult what has happened. Remaining silent will not make things better, and it may worsen the situation. Reporting a serious problem is not the same as tattling. Adults need to know about bullying behavior so they can support you and take action to stop it. Everyone say prevent.
Prevent.
How do you make sure your school is bully free?
By always using your superhero powers for good.
You see, a dream maker makes good choices. They respect others with their words and actions. On the school bus, in the classroom, lunchroom, hallway, playground, and even on social media.
Am I asking you to be best friends with everyone in the school? No, but I am asking you to respect everyone just the way they are. We all look different, act different, we like different things. In other words, we all have different superhero powers. But just because someone's superhero powers are different than yours, should you treat them different? No. You accept and support everyone just the way they are. Now that's a true hero. Everyone say bystander.
Bystander.
A bystander is more powerful than any superhero in the universe.
But Omegaman, what is a bystander?
When you see someone being bullied physically, verbally, socially, or cyber, you are now a bystander. In other words, you are a witness, someone who sees someone else being bullied. I have good news. A bystander has the power to make a positive difference by becoming a super upstander. So stand up and be a hero. A super upstander is someone who sees what's happening and intervenes, interrupts, or even speaks up to stop the bullying. When you are a upstander, you are a true superhero. Hey superhero friends, what's the bully-free pledge again?
I am bully free. It starts with you and me.